Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update home security system alerts with ADT app settings, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open the ADT app on your smartphone. Log in with your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the main dashboard. Look for the settings icon, usually represented by a gear symbol. Tap on the settings icon to enter the settings menu. Scroll down to find the alerts section. Select alerts to view your current notification preferences. Here, you will see options for different types of alerts, such as security alarms, system status changes, and choose the type of alert you want to update. Tap on the alert type to view its settings. You can enable or disable notifications by toggling the switch. To customize the alert further, check if there are options for sound or vibration settings. Adjust these options according to your preference. If you'd like to receive alerts via email or text, find the contact settings in this section. Enter your preferred email address or phone number if not already set. After making your changes, look for the Save button at the bottom of the screen. Tap Save to confirm your new alert settings. Your updated alert preferences will now be active. Finally, exit the settings menu to return to the main dashboard. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.